Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another vlog. I'm actually here at Honda Tiger Valley. Maybe you can see it over there. But yeah, I'm here today. I'm be filming some stuff. I'll be shooting, doing some pictures of the cars. And this is actually all for event that they're hosting that's called Honda Dream Day, which is something really insane. I think it's a cool initiative. They're trying to get guys that's maybe not used to new cars. And guys like me, I'm not used to new cars. I have never driven like a new 2018, 2017 car. I've never been in that. So for me to get the opportunity to experience the cars, to see the cars, work with them, take photos, capture them, really insane, and I feel truly honored. This opportunity was actually brought to me by Ziad Bailey. So he reached out to a couple of photographers, and this is where I am. I don't know if you guys can see it over there. Where I am today. And guys, I have to tell you, like, this is insane. Like, you guys have no idea. So yeah, I'm gonna be here all day. We're gonna start off at the bikes. We're gonna go from there. I'm putting some beauty shots. I'm gonna interview one of the guys as well. He's really cool. He's been here for quite some time. And we're gonna go through it, see what it's about, and just enjoy the cars, guys. This is gonna be something really insane. So yeah, let's put in some cinematics. Actually at the Honda dealership, standing here with a couple of bikes, and I'm going to introduce you to basically the bike expert and salesman here at Honda.
Jonathan Lee, hello, Honda in Tigerberg.
And how long have you been here?
9 years now.
9 years. What do you think of the dealership that you're working at now?
I'm still here because it's great. Positioning is lovely, but the Honda product is a pleasure to work with.
How do you feel working here? Like, what's your main takeaway from being here for so long?
You've got to love motorbikes, and we get very involved in the off-road environment, more so than the road. The Honda's road bike, which you can turn around as a fire there, which is a super bike. That's built for Killarney and the Isle of Man, but can take you to and from work as well.
This thing looks insane. It looks insane. Trust me guys, the way this bike looks in person doesn't do it justice on video.
Just go to the black twin. This is kitted up brand new, but it's kitted for off-road. So you've got the off-road tires, you've got the bigger foot pegs on it, you've got the crash bars built in, you've got radiator guards. This thing is ready to explore Africa, basically. This is the DCT version, which is dual clutch transmission. It's unique to Honda. It's basically 6-speed automatic, sort of like a DSG box in a Golf GTI or a Porsche or Ferrari. Honda's got the same technology, they advance it all the time. It's got rider settings like the Fireblade, throttle by wire, all the latest technology that's developed in MotoGP and the Dakar. All filters, it finds its way down to our stock bikes that are offered to the public. So it's all tried and tested in the harshest of conditions, and now you can buy it off the showroom floor.
I'm not the bike expert by any means. I've ridden bikes before, but it hasn't been something as top of the line like this. So this is definitely something new.
Honda, just remember, gentlemen and ladies, started out as a motorcycle company.
They
build beautiful cars, but Soshiro's Honda main focus was two-wheel. And I've always asked the Honda engineers, what's Honda's what's the gears behind Honda? And he said to win races. Everything's developed on the racetrack, from the Type R to a Brio to a Blade to a Twin to a 450. The theory being, if you can race it successfully, you can sell it to the public safely.
This thing definitely looks like it's built to race. I'm gonna take you guys with me along through the day. I'm gonna be here all day. I'm gonna go through the cars, go through the workshop, and yeah, just enjoy our time here. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, so we are here in the workshop. You can see over there. A couple of the guys working here. It's pretty noisy as you would expect in a workshop. But yeah, this is a pretty cool experience. Definitely enjoying my experience here, and this is something that not everyone gets to see. And they even have a bike workshop over there as well. So like there where I'm pointing, there's a bike workshop there as well. So this is really cool. They have their own parts, they have a diagnostic center. I'm really impressed with everything. We're gonna try and speak to somebody inside that's part of the sales and parts and stuff, and then see, get some feedback from him. So this is gonna be really cool. So yeah. Yo guys, so I'm here with John. He's one of the, well, he's the expert, yeah, that I was referred to.
Using the term loosely there.
So how long have you been here?
I've been with him 12 years.
12 years?
Yeah.
That's quite some time.
Yeah, furniture now.
And what's your position here?
I'm the foreman.
Foreman?
Yes.
Okay, and of the workshop and things now?
Yes, the car section.
Okay, and how are you finding like working here? Have you started here? How did you get to be the foreman?
I started here, came from previous companies, Ford and Peugeot, and I started here. Found the product very, very accommodating. Nothing that goes wrong.
Oh, so you do have a mechanical background?
Yeah, no, I've been at other dealers before I came here.
Okay, and you say this is for you?
No, this is one of the easiest products there is. Very reliable, no issues.
And
Actually, this is a retirement gig, this.
And how many guys do you have working like under you?
We've got 2 qualified technicians and 2 RSAs and apprentices.
Okay, and how do you become an apprentice with Honda? Is there a selection process?
Not really with Honda. When we do have space for technicians, when the technicians move on, we like to get apprentices in to give them basic training the way we want it. And then we've got a file on apprentices that want work here, okay. So they basically get them in for interviews,
yeah.
And then when we find that they're the suitable candidates for us, okay. They start here, then they run through the course of all the levels, 1 to 4, and basically that's it.
And how long is the course usually?
It all depends on you.
Okay.
You get 3 chances per level.
Yes.
If you fail the 3rd time, you're out. Basically everybody passes mostly the 1st time.
Yeah.
So anything between 2 years and 5 years, depending on how long you want to take.
Okay. That's really good information. Because like for myself, basically what I want to do is I'm somebody that's into motor mechanics, as the people know on my channel. So I feel like this information it's really good. Because not a lot of us would know how to become an apprentice, how to get into like a whole technician. So that's
yeah, it helps if basically you need your N2.
Yes.
Your N2 certificate, and then you can get your CV together, and then obviously you hand it out to different dealerships or places that you want to work. Okay. Sometimes they do headhunting at the Technicons.
Yes.
They come to you or the college, and then they say, "We've got work available here. Which candidates are available or interested?" That's how I got my start in the motor trade.
Okay.
So basically, yeah, that's the easiest way.
Yeah. I really appreciate the
Not a problem.
feedback on that, because that's information that a lot of us don't know.
Yeah.
We find out like by this person or that person, but we never find out.
Yeah, it's hearsay. You never know what's actually the truth.
Yeah. So it's better to find out from somebody that works here and has been working here for quite some time, so you would know the process and the ins and outs of everything.
Yeah, like I said, furniture.
Yeah. And I've been told that you guys won like best dealership and things. Can you go like just?
Yeah, Honda's got category A and B and C, such on depending where you're situated in the country. Okay. And I think we've won 3 or 4 times category B, best dealer. Yeah, I think this year we won best in sales, service, and space.
Whoa.
So yeah. Obviously, just the customer's name, and if you don't have the address yet, write the address, VIN number, engine number, all the relevant information, how much fuel he's got in. There's a little diagram of the car. You could just tick to see where there's marks on it for record. Yeah. And then obviously just the handwriting, and then amounts. You quote him amount beforehand, say, "Sir, it's going to cost you so much." Yeah. Then obviously if there's extra work, you phone them before you carry on. Yes. "Sir, this is what we found. We found it's going to cost you so much," and you give him the cost, and if he gives go ahead, you just fill in the relevant information.
So this is what they will basically fill in when the cars come in?
Now when the car's coming in, and then when it's done, it's in the job card format.
And as you guys can see, it's literally any It's old, new cars that come here, and you guys will see it even in the bike workshop as well. There's older bikes, there's newer bikes, there's a lot of stuff going on. So I just want to say thank you for giving me the information and stuff. I really appreciate it, and I'm sure the people out there will appreciate it as well. So yeah, this is John, and we're gonna move on to the next one.